Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Today we are going to solve LBA questions of 27th lesson, that is Biosphere. Okay, what are you going to learn in this lesson? Understand the meaning and importance of ecological balance, analyze the causes and effects of environmental pollution, describe measures to prevent environmental pollution. Okay, let us start the question and answers. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. First question from Biosphere. The ozone layer is found among the following. In which sphere of the atmosphere the ozone layer is found? Ozone layer ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Ozone ಪದರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? It protects the earth, okay, from UV rays, ultraviolet rays, okay. So it is a thin layer of gas found in the atmosphere, okay, in which sphere ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is ozone layer protecting the earth from UV rays, okay. Options are option A mesosphere, option B stratosphere, option C troposphere, and option D ionosphere. The correct answer is ozone layer is found in stratosphere. B, stratosphere. Okay. So ozone absorbs the ultraviolet rays and protects all forms of life on the Earth's surface. Major ಆಗಿ ಕಂಟಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು chlorofluorocarbons. ಇದರಿಂದ ಓಝೋನ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? It protects the earth from the ultraviolet rays. Okay. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 2 from Biosphere. Protection of the ozone layer is everyone's responsibility. Alva, why? Because it is protecting us. Okay. Identify the statement that supports this statement. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು 4 statement ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You have to identify the statement which supports this statement. What is the statement, children? Protection of the ozone layer is everyone's responsibility. Okay. Let us see the options now. Option A, it can prevent the destruction of living beings. It can prevent acid rain. It can maintain atmospheric balance. Option C. Option D, it can prevent the greenhouse effect. Okay, so you have to identify the statement which supports the statement that protection of the ozone layer is everyone's responsibility. Why it is everyone's responsibility? Because it can prevent the destruction of living beings. We are living beings on the earth, isn't it? So it is our responsibility, everyone's responsibility to protect the ozone layer. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 3 from Biosphere. Answer the following in a word or in a sentence. ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಮಿತ್ರ. Okay. What is environmental pollution? Environmental ಪರಿಸರ ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ. Environmental pollution ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರು. Environmental, it is one form of environmental pollution, air pollution. Okay. Undesirable changes in the surrounding environment are called environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is the undesirable or unfavorable. Okay. Unfavorable condition or unfavorable changes in the surroundings. Our surroundings is called as wholly or partly by human beings action or through direct or indirect effects. That is called as environmental pollutions. ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲು ಕಾಣುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಅಹಿತಕರವಾದ ಅನ್ಡಿಸೈರಬಲ್ ಅನ್ಫೇವರೇಬಲ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನ, ವಾತಾವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟಾಗುವ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪರಿಸರ ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. It is one of the most terrifying ecological crisis of today. So ಇವಾಗ ಈಗಿನ ಪ್ರಚಲಿತ ವಿದ್ಯಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾಳಜಿ ವಹಿಸಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಕಾರ್ಯ ಇದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಪರಿಸರ ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ ಉಂಟಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಧಗಳಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್, ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್, ಅರ್ಬನೈಸೇಷನ್, ಇದರಿಂದ ಅನ್ಡಿಸೈರಬಲ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 4 from Biosphere. What is significance of ozone layer? Ozone ಪದರದ ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ವ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, what is the significance of the ozone layer? Okay. Ozone layer is a thin layer of gas found in the stratosphere of the environment. Okay, so it absorbs ultraviolet rays and protects protect the life on the earth. Okay, the ozone layer protects from ultraviolet rays. It absorbs ultraviolet rays and protects all forms of life on the earth. This is the significance of ozone layer. It is a thin layer of gas found where? In the stratosphere. Okay. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmarga classes. What is acid rain? Acid rain ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮ್ಲ ಮಳೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಆಸಿಡ್ ರೈನ್. Rainwater containing sulfuric acid, carbon monoxide, and other acids is called as acid rain. Acid rain contains high amounts of acids, particularly sulfuric acid and carbon monoxide. Okay, it is caused when the raindrops pass through the polluted atmosphere. ಕಲುಷಿತ ವಾತಾವರಣದಿಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲುಷಿತ ವಾತಾವರಣದ ಮೂಲಕ ಮಳೆ ನೀರಿನ ಹನಿಗಳು ಬರುವುದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಆಸಿಡ್ ರೇ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಲುಷಿತ ವಾತಾವರಣದಿಂದ ಮಳೆ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಲ್ಫ್ಯೂರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೊನಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ acids will be there. Okay, so acid rain damages the forest, agricultural crops, old buildings, monuments, etc. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 6 from Biosphere. What is ecology? Ecology ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. Okay, ecology. This is the picture of ecology. Okay, ecology is the science that describes the relationship between organisms and their physical, chemical, and biological environment. Organism ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜೀವಿಗಳು. ಓಕೆನಾ? The study of interaction of living organisms with their physical, chemical, and biological environment is called as ಎಕಾಲಜಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಜೀವಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅವುಗಳ ಪರಿಸರದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸಂಬಂಧ, ಭೌತಿಕ, ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಜೈವಿಕ ಪರಿಸರಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಜೀವಿಗಳ ಸಂಬಂಧವನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಇಕಾಲಜಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 7 from Biosphere. What is biodiversity? ಬಯೋಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಜೈವಿಕ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಬಯೋಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ, the variety of plants and animal species in a region is called as biodiversity. ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸವಾಗುವಂತ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯಮಯವಾದ ಸಸ್ಯಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಪ್ರಭೇದ, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಯೋಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಾ. ಫ್ಲೋರಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ plants. Okay, variety of flora and fauna. Fauna andre animals, species. Okay, in a region is called as biodiversity. Distribution of different kinds of plants and animal species in a region shows the richness of biodiversity. ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯಮಯವಾದ ಸಸ್ಯಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿದಾವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ರಿಚ್, ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ಜೈವಿಕ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನ, ವೈವಿಧ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 8 from Biosphere. Define air pollution according to WHO. Okay, air pollution. You can see in the picture the contamination of air. Okay, air pollution occurs when substances from human activities mix with the air, harming human health and property. So WHO defines air pollution as air pollution occurs when the substances from human activities, substance ಮಾನವನ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಯಾದಂತಹ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಯಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಯಾದಂತಹ ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕಗಳು ವಾಯುವಿನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ, ಹವಾಮಾನದ ಹವೆಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗಾಳಿಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ದ human health, harms human health and property. Okay, so this is the definition of air pollution according to WHO. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 9 from Biosphere. Answer the following in 2 to 3 sentences. 2 ರಿಂದ 3 ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. What is ecological balance? ಸಮತೋಲನ, ಜೈವಿಕ ಸಮತೋಲನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay? So, ecological balance. Ecological balance, the harmonious and balanced relationship between natural environment and various species is called as ecological balance. Ecological balance ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? The harmonious relationship. ಪರಿಸರ ಮತ್ತು ಜೀವಿಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂಬಂಧ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಕಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇಟ್ ಅಕರ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕವಾಗಿ, ನೈಸರ್ಗಿಕವಾಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಧದ ಜೀವಿಗಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮತೋಲನವನ್ನ ಕಾಪಾಡೋದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ecology is nothing but the study of the relationship between the species, life, and their physical, biological, and chemical environment, isn't it? So that is called as ecology. Okay, so ecological balance means there is a harmonious relationship between the natural environment and various species of flora and fauna. Okay, it occurs naturally in the ecosystem. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 10 from Biosphere. What are the types of environmental pollution? ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರದ ಪರಿಸರ ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯಗಳು ಯಾವುವು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The different types of environmental pollution are air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. Okay. What do you mean by environmental pollution? When undesirable changes or unfavorable changes occur in the environment or surrounding, it is called as environmental pollution. There are different types like air pollution, okay, contaminated air, water pollution, contamination of the water, soil pollution, and noise pollution. Okay, these are the different types of environmental pollutions. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 11 from Biosphere. Which regions are affected by acid rain? So ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಭೂಮಿಯ ಯಾವ ಭಾಗವು ಆಸಿಡ್ ರೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಆಮ್ಲ ಮಳೆಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರಭಾವಿತವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, acid rain is nothing but it contains high amount of acids, particularly sulfuric acid and carbon monoxide. Okay, so it is when it mixes with the rain droplets, okay, when it passes through contaminated environment or contaminated atmosphere, this is called as acid rain. Okay, so acid rain is affected in these regions like Poland, Czech Republic, and southeastern Germany in Europe. Okay, so these regions are affected by acid rain. It destroys the forest, it destroys agricultural lands, crops, old buildings, monuments, etc. ಈ ಆಸಿಡ್ ರೈನ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕೃಷಿ ಬೆಳೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಡುಗಳು, ಅರಣ್ಯಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಸ್ಮಾರಕಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಕಟ್ಟಡಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಾನಿಯನ್ನ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 12 from Biosphere. What are the human-made sources of noise pollution? What are the human-made sources or man-made sources of noise pollution? Noise pollution is any undesirable sound dumped into the atmosphere leading to health hazards. So, ಅತ್ಯಂತ ತೀವ್ರವಾದ ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾನಿಯನ್ನು ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Noise pollution ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. There are two major sources. One is natural, like thunder, cyclones, heavy rainfall, hailstorms, etc. Okay, the human-made or man-made sources of noise pollution are industrial noise, ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆಗಳಿಂದ ಉಂಟಾಗುವಂತಹ ಶಬ್ದಗಳು, ಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಾಯ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಏರ್ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಸಿವ್ ನಾಯ್ಸ್, noise created by vehicles, automobiles. Okay, so here you can write automobile ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಶಬ್ದ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆಟೋಮೊಬೈಲ್ಸ್, domestic noise, all come under man-made noise pollutions. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 13 from Biosphere. Answer the following in 5 to 6 sentences each. What is environment? What are its types? Environment ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು, ಇದರ types ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, environment, the surroundings where living organisms and biological materials exist are called as environment. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಪರಿಸರ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವಿಗಳು ವಾಸವಾಗುತ್ತವೆಯೋ ಮತ್ತು ಬಯೋಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು, ಗಾಳಿ, ನೀರು, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆರ್ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾವ ತರ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ? ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕ, ಭೌಗೋಳಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾನವ ನಿರ್ಮಿತ ಪರಿಸರ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 14 from Biosphere. Explain the adverse effects of water pollution. Explain the adverse effects of water pollution. Okay. ಸೊ ನೀರು ಕಲುಷಿತವಾಗೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ವಾಟರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ವಾಟರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್? Water pollution is alteration in physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of water, which may have harmful effects on human beings and aquatic life. ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಜಲಚರಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನವನ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರತಿಕೂಲ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ವಾಟರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆರ್ water becomes contaminated. Okay, so after when we drink or the human beings drink water, it several types of diseases will happen, like cholera, tuberculosis, and jaundice will spread. Okay, it causes the death of aquatic life. ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಜಲಚರಗಳ ನಾಶಕ್ಕೆ, ಸಾವಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಕಾರಣವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. That is the effect of adverse effect of water pollution. Then water pollution is harmful to agriculture also, because the same water is used in agriculture. It affects the agriculture. It leads to environmental imbalance. When the aquatic animals death happens, it creates environmental imbalance, because in the ecosystem every life is important, isn't it? It reduces oxygen levels in water. ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಆಮ್ಲಜನಕದ ಪ್ರಮಾಣವನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So these are the adverse effects of water pollution. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 15 from Biosphere. Why noise pollution is directly harmful to humans? ಶಬ್ದ ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ ಇದು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಮಾನವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬೀರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What do you mean by noise pollution? Noise pollution is undesirable noise released into the atmosphere which affects the health of human beings or other animals. Is called as noise pollution, isn't it? So it affects permanent, it creates permanent hearing loss. Continuous hearing of the loud noise will create permanent hearing loss. Heart related diseases and heart attacks. Okay, it results in heart related diseases and heart attacks. The mental health issues will happen if you continuously go through the noise pollution. Okay, so mental health issues will occur. Next, the sleep disturbances, lack of concentration, headaches, and fatigues. These all are the ill effects or adverse effects of noise pollution. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 16 from Biosphere. What is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, the energy that the earth receives from the sun has to be balanced by the radiation emitted from the earth's surface. Okay, the use of fossil fuels increasing greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases trap the heat radiated from the earth. This is called as greenhouse effect. Okay, thus it increases the greenhouse gases. Increasing of greenhouse gases is causing an increase of temperature. This is called as greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? So the solar energy, it has to be balanced by the radiation emitted from the earth's surface. But due to the fossil fuels increase in the greenhouse in the atmosphere, these carbon monoxide and other greenhouse gases trap the heat radiation from the earth. Okay. So this increase in the greenhouse gases is causing an increase of temperature. So this is called as greenhouse effect. Okay. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 17 from Biosphere. Answer the following in 7 to 8 sentences. 7ರಿಂದ 8 ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಬೇಕು. List out the major sources of water pollution. What do you mean by water pollution? The undesirable changes in the water, okay, water, which causes the health issues or problem to the human beings as well as the aquatic animals is called as water pollution. Okay. Water pollution is alteration in physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of water, which may have harmful effect on the human and aquatic life. That means the species that live in water. Okay. The important sources of water pollution are, first one, natural source. First one is natural sources. Soil erosion, landslide, ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಸವಕಳಿಯಿಂದಾಗಿ water pollution ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Landslide, okay, volcanic eruption, decay and decomposition of plants and animals in the water. It causes water pollution. Okay, these are natural sources. And second one, man-made source. What are the man-made sources? Industrial effluents, the releases from industries, urban waste, domestic waste, agricultural waste, thermal waste, oil spill, offshore drilling, nuclear waste, etc. These are the man-made, ಮಾನವ ನಿರ್ಮಿತ ಮೂಲಗಳು. Okay, these are the man-made sources of water pollution. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 18 from Biosphere. Suggest the measures of preventing water pollution. Water pollution is the changes, biological, chemical and physical changes in water that affect the human life as well as aquatic animals is called as water pollution. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 18 from Biosphere. Suggest the measures of preventing water pollution. Water pollution is alteration in physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of water, which may have harmful effects on human and aquatic life. ವಾಟರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ನೀರಿನ ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ, ಜೈವಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಭೌತಿಕ ರಚನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಮಾನವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಜಲಚರಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಾನಿ ಉಂಟಾದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ವಾಟರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಜಲಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. Measures to control, there are two sources, okay, man-made and natural sources. So industrial effluents must be treated. Measures to control water pollution are industrial effluents must be treated. So ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯವನ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡ್ರಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್. ಕುಡಿಯುವ ನೀರಿನ ಮೂಲಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೀವೇಜ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೀವೇಜ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಚರಂಡಿ ನೀರುಗಳನ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ನೀರಿನ ಮೂಲಗಳಾದಂತಹ ಸರೋವರಗಳು, ಸಮುದ್ರ, ಕೆರೆಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಕಲುಷಿತಗೊಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣ ಮಾಡುವಂತ, ಶುಡ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ measures to be taken to control water pollution. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 19 from Biosphere. What are adverse effects of global warming? Global warming is nothing but the temperature of Earth is increasing slowly over the years. For the last few years, global temperature has increased. This phenomenon is called as global warming. So, ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಭೂಮಿಯ ತಾಪಮಾನ ಏರಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನು global warming ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Global warming and its effects are: the Earth's temperature is rising daily, known as global warming. Atmospheric temperature has increased significantly in the years. So, ಈ ಒಂದು ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಾತಾವರಣದ ಉಷ್ಣತೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು adverse effect. Okay. Effects include shifting climate zones, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ಲೇಷಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ನದಿಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಮಗಳು ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇವೆ, ಕರಗ್ತಾ ಇವೆ. ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೀ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್, ಸಮುದ್ರದ ಮಟ್ಟ ಏರಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಇಂಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್, ವಾತಾವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಸಮತೋಲನ ಉಂಟಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಐಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹಿಮಾಲಯಾಸ್, Arctic and Antarctic region. These are the adverse effects of global warming. Okay. Thank you. The summary of today's class is: understand the meaning and importance of ecological balance, analyze the causes and effects of environmental pollution, describe measures to prevent environmental pollution. Okay, thank you everyone. We'll meet in the next class with another chapter. Okay, thank you.